Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
We have a employment service and a tech company to round out this month as far as top stock picks go. Shiraz Mian, Nina Mishra here to fill us in on each of those respectively. Shiraz, we'll start with you. You've got the employment service, Manpower.
That's right. Manpower, staffing firm. It's a U.S.-based, Milwaukee-based firm, but global in nature. About 2/3 of revenue comes from Europe, the trend on the U.S. labor market front has been favorable for a number of years now. So that's not the catalyst for why somebody would be interested in a firm like this. In my judgment, the positive story in Manpower is the improving outlook for Europe. The stock has done reasonably well. They came out with very strong June quarter results. But I think we are at a very early stage in the labor market recovery cycle for Europe, and Manpower offers as good a way to play that improving outlook relative to any other. The weakening U.S. dollar, the strengthening economic outlook beyond Europe are some of the further catalysts for this stock.
They already had a strong global network, so you see it getting even stronger?
The outlook for the European market, the European economy, the European labor market is the new element. It's not as new, like it's happening right now. It's been in play for the last 6 to 9 months to even a year, but there's quite further along for the European recovery to go, and Manpower within the U.S. traded stocks offers you as good a play on that trend as any other company.
Okay. Yeah. Nina, everybody seems to be following Nvidia.
Yes.
And you're no different.
Yeah, so Nvidia is a leader in visual computing technologies. Their GPUs are used in gaming, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, self-driving cars, data centers, and of late, a lot in cryptocurrency mining as well. So they reported excellent results, again, beating on both the top and bottom lines. And they also raised their guidance for the year. And in fact, if you look at the EPS surprise chart, it looks just beautiful. They have missed only once in the last 5 years. And if you go to detailed estimates page, you can see the big beat over here and over here. And you can also see that analysts love the earnings. They have been raising their estimates for the company for the current year as well as the next year. These rising estimates sent the stock back to a Zacks rank #1, and the industry is also in the top 4%, which also looks very good. Now, shares are not cheap. They are up almost 62% this year, and they trade at about 46 times forward earnings. But it's a great company with great products, and there's very strong demand for their chips from all these high growth areas. So that's why analysts and investors love the stock, and there's no reason why it cannot go up further.
I was going to say, so based on that stock appreciation and where it's trading right now, if you haven't gotten into this yet, you don't feel that it's too late?
I don't think it's too late. Their products are just in such great demand. So there's no reason.
Yeah, Nvidia is in the sweet spot of all these new things that are happening on the tech front, on the semiconductor front. So whether it's gaming, whether it's the self-driving cars and all these different things, they have the solution for that. So the stock has really run up, as Nina rightly pointed out, but one could argue that that momentum will continue. Now, if that trend shifts, it is usually quite problematic for high flyers like Nvidia. So one has to be mindful that it's not for the faint of heart. You need to be a little brave to pick a stock like that.
Okay, but
it's
still
a high
worth
risk
looking
and
at.
high
Absolutely.
return potential stock.
Absolutely.
All right. Do either of you own either of these?
I own Nvidia
Personally?
personally.
Okay.
I have Nvidia and Manpower in the focus list portfolio.
Okay, but not personal.
Not personally.
All right. Don't take it personal.
No.
Thank you for that. Don't forget, there is a lot more information on these companies and many others on our website, Zacks.com. And all you need to do to access it is get over to the homepage. It all starts when you go there. With Shiraz and Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.